Greetings, I'm not Rob Chappers, but here I am with the Earthquaker Devices White Light Legacy Reissue Overdrive, limited to 2,000 units. And right now, I'm gonna read the manual because I'm making it a habit to read the Earthquaker Devices manuals. And I'm gonna make sure I'm not on the Deutsch side of the manual, I'm on the English side. What's up? You like distortion? If so, you're gonna love the White Overdrive. There's an exclamation mark. White Light Overdrive! The White Light is a hard-clipping vintage voice dirt pedal that takes its cues from the vintage dirt pedals that define the sounds of heavy rock. Think OD250 or the Distortion Plus without being overly derivative. A new voice to an oldish sound, if you will. The White Light will give you control over the feel and voice of the dirt along with the modern presence and highly responsive to your playing. We think that you'll find that it is much more dynamic, open, harmonically rich and these classic overdrives it shares its lineage with. So, the pedal is limited to 2,000 units for the world for this reissue, so get yours while you can. The pedal has 3 knobs and a toggle switch. So you got your gain and level, that's self-explanatory, and then you got a weight knob, which affects a multitude of things. So it kind of affects the tone, number one, but also the low end and the amount of saturation that you get with the pedal. So it's quite an interesting knob actually. And then you have a toggle switch to adjust the compression level. So in the minus position, which is where I had it at the beginning in the Soundbite, that is a much more open sounding with much more higher mid kind of tone. And then if you were to put it to the plus side of it, it's going to be a bit more crunchy. So anyway, I'm using my Kiesel Zeus Headless guitar with Kiesel Lithium pickups going into the pedal, into the front of a Hughes and Kettner Tubemeister Deluxe 20, going into an orange PPC 2x12 vertical cabinet, being mic'd up by a SE Electronics V7X and X1S. And in the effects loop, I have a little bit of reverb because reverb makes me happy. There you go. So this is my clean tone. This is in the bridge humbucker right here. And here and then again, I'm going to go into the in-between positions of my pickup selector. So I'm going to check out the pedal with the gain knob pretty low. Maybe you're going to just keep fooling around with each knob and setting and just hear how it sounds and what it inspires me to play. So anyway, let's go. This is the pedal with the comp switch still in the minus position with the gain at 9 o'clock. So now I'm going to just quickly adjust the weight knob so you can hear the difference it makes. I'm going to put it at 9 o'clock as well. All the way to 3 o'clock. Back to 9 o'clock. So let's leave it in the middle for now. Now let's quickly compare the comp switch going to the plus position right now. Now to the minus position again. I can really tell that the plus position is going to be a bit more fun when the gain knob is cranked all the way up. So with the plus position, I'm feeling it being a little more compressed. So I kind of like that feeling, but you're going to leave it in the minus position and bump up the gain. Neck pickup. More gain. Oh my God, it feels so good. Let's go to the plus position on the comp switch. Holy cow. Okay, I'm going to crank the gain all the way up because I just love it in high gain, man. Come on. Who am I kidding? Comp switch in minus position, gain all the way up. I'm going to start tweaking the weight knob here and then again. So here we go. Gosh, it sounds so amazing. I can't tell where I love it at. It's like every setting is just great for me. There you go, guys. The white light. Get it while it's being produced. Let us know what you think about the tones achieved today. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more content. And I will see you soon in the next one. Cheers.